Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the picture or the thumbnail from this video, what we're going to be cooking. So right here I have 4 corn, and basically we just going to be cooking a keto meal, and guarantee y'all are going to love it. So I have my board here, and basically what I'm going to cut up, as you can see by the corner, I'm going to be cutting up some scallions into like, not bite size, but basically, yeah, you could say bite size. So in this oil right here, I already have fried my basically some smoked sausage to be adding with our keto meal. And this right here is basically I use olive oil, and this is where I'm going to be frying the scallions in. I did add in some minced garlic. This is always optional, but I love my mince. I'm adding my scallions at this time. I'm gonna fry them for probably a good like 5 minutes till they're like kind of soft and golden, but not too much golden, if that makes sense. So after my 5 minutes, I am removing them and putting them into a bowl so I could put them back into our rice later. Now moving on to our rice. These rice I got from Walmart, and these are rices in a box, so they are already made with the seasoning and everything. So I'm mixing in my long grain rice with our jambalaya rice, and this is still keto because it still is healthy, and it comes with the seasoning, everything prepared for you. So all you could just do is remix it and add in what you like. So this rice I'm adding is the jambalaya rice, and just like I told you, it comes with the season. So throughout right here, I'm just going to be adding the rice as you'll see. I would advise for you guys, if you're going to try this meal, to taste the water. As you guys going to see, I'm going to take a little of the liquid just to see if it's too salty or not. Now I'm just making this rice cook and do what it do before we could go ahead and put the top on it. So now that the liquid is mostly evaporated, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this one last time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cover this baby up. So now it is quite done. Now at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the sausage and the scallion that we had cooked earlier. And yes, get into it. It just looks so juicy. I did cover it one last time just to cook it a little bit longer. Now our rice is done, and this is how it looks. It shouldn't be too wet and it shouldn't be too dry, but it should look just like this, and I'm ready to get my mouth all over this. Now in this frying pan, as you can see, it is very hot. As you can see, the smoke adding me some butter, And as you can tell by me adding in that butter, you could tell how hot and how high I had the stove on. So in this pan, we're going to go ahead and add in our scrimps. And I already seasoned it. You know, you guys could season it to how you like if you're going to try this dish, just like I said. But I add in, like, of course, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, chili flakes, no, red pepper flakes, I should say, and cayenne pepper, and some Old Bay season, and some other stuff. But this is what I'm gonna do. For go ahead and cook these baby up, and we gonna actually make a sauce too as well. So for our sauce, in the same bowl, you can use as a scrimp, I add in some mayo. And as you see, I'm adding some sriracha hot chili sauce as well. Now it's time to mix this up. I was being so lazy, but I had meant to mix it up with a whisk. But just like I said, as lazy, I was just trying to hurry up and cook because I was hungry. So wasting no time, I'm gonna go ahead and add in our sauce that we just cooked. With the whole mayo looking crumble and stuff, by cooking it with this, it's gonna cook it and them clumps won't be there at all. So yeah, so I'm going ahead and adding, and once I mix it up and it is cooked thoroughly, it's gonna give it a nice color, and that sauce gonna turn out marvelous. For this process, I did have my stove on high heat, and I went ahead and added some more seasoning. And I'm just basically mixing it around, and as you can see, our sauce is coming into place. But yeah, so now our sauce is done, and I am going to remove them from the heat. Now for our vegetable in the frying pan, as you see, I'm adding butter. This is where our corn is going to be cooking. With our corn, I did not boil it. I didn't really nothing but add like probably salt, black pepper, and probably something else, but I'm not too sure at this time. But just like you see, I added my first corn. I'm just gonna add in all my corns at this time and let these boys cook. And it still got soft, and it still tasted moist, and still have that little popping sound when you bite into a corn. And just like I told you, I did this without not boiling no nothing, just with just butter and just basically frying them kinda. So this is our keto meal. I hope you guys enjoy watching me do this video for y'all, because I sure enough did enjoyed it. But yeah, this is our meal. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.